Hello, this is a Spacecast, introducing you to the horizon seen from Brazil. Look how curved it is. Yeah, you could see a ship fade into distance in here. And those colors, you can see all shades of blue, pink, purple and red. Even though it's still kind of dark, it's so damn curved. It's 5 a.m. and I am taking a walk north. That thought about fear of the dark came to me. Walking first thing in the morning is a great exercise, of course, and that feeling of privacy is so good. I think maybe the fear comes precisely because the brain is not used to being alone anymore, plus the fact that you are in an environment completely different from your usual mornings. Yes, you may need to focus on the light in front of you. Do you think that light is just a particle created in the sun that our eye can detect? I think the key to controlling your fears is to be bigger than what is filming you. I am reading a book where this guy talks about light being a fifth dimension and gravity a sixth. How many of them are there? I do not know. I am still trying to understand time. Does he come and go? I don't think we could tell the difference. Totally. Yeah. The original purple rays. Sunrise can be quite scary depending on where you are. Like anything, I think, even light, it is hot or cold, wave or particle, you know. Then he talks about how consciousness can touch those dimensions through meditation and that kind of thing. In the book, of course. Some people say that meditation is like preparation for that. In an elevated state of meditation, you would be able to understand time. It is difficult not to get lost in time. It is more difficult to loosen up in time. I need to write this down. Let's go. It can also be a way of teaching how to live, yes, because you have to learn to do this at some point. No one will teach you these things. No. This Krishnamurti guy says that the desire to break free from conditioning only increases conditioning. It's like thinking about meditating. Looks like a river made by the tide. And it is as even if you break free, you would end up creating another conditioning. Have you ever watched that movie about young people in a cabin in the woods? The way would be to understand the desire itself to be free, and that understanding would break the conditioning. And freedom can take you beyond normal expectations. Anyway, so neither walking or waking up early is so difficult, or even climbing. Look where you got to, and you didn't even have sun when you left. Because you enter this state of meditation, and when you see the sun, it has already risen and you have already done what you set out to do. Sometimes everything seems to be an illusion, and you find yourself jumping in between places without a purpose. Everything seems to be so much bigger and stronger than you. Seriously, look at the size of this stone. But it is only because you are starting to have perspective, looking at everything from a higher point of understanding. It is essential to be aware of our own size in the universe. The acceptance takes man out of that semi-God position and puts him on a path to real understanding of his nature. Let me go to the edge. If a person jumps there, he will certainly not be able to get out. I need to get higher. You can even think about that. There's no problem with that. That's the connection in between us. After all, the living things, we must accept death without classifying it as a good or bad, just as a part of the whole, just like yourself. It is also important to understand your status, your intention to move. There are many stops, and even if you are standing still, it is important to know that the path does not end where you left off. It never ends. Fine, let's look at the sun. To the depth. Have a thought. You walked all morning and decide to return just 100 meters from the beach. Life can surprise you around every corner. Oh, there's a good safer rock to be. Take off your clothes. So, the point is, you must choose what to do or what not to do, whatever. Just be in the moment and enjoy it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment. See ya.